Hello everyone, this is Otsumami channel from Japan. Otsumami is Japanese finger food that goes well with the alcohol. In this channel, I introduce Japanese foods and even history of them as well. If you're interested in Japanese culture, you've gotta watch this till the end. Okay, so let's get it started. Today, I'd like to introduce this, Edamame. Now it's very famous in all over the world. The word edamame is Japanese. Eda means branch. Mame means beans. Edamame is a premature soybean, so soy sauce, tofu, natto, and edamame, they are originally all the same. Did you know that? Edamame is one of the most famous otsumami here in Japan. You can buy it at supermarket, convenience store, or everywhere. Usually it's frozen, but it's already cooked. And if you go to Japanese sake restaurant, you can always find this edamame. This time, I'm going to make typical Japanese style edamame and European style edamame. So it's a competition today. First, you need to pour water and boil the edamame. After boiling it for a while, take edamame out of the pot. Japanese style is simple and easy. All you need to do is just put some salt. That's it. Easy, isn't it? So I'm going to focus on European style edamame from now on. Today I'm going to make edamame peperoncino, Italian style. Anyway, first you need to pour some olive oil. Then put some garlic. I'm a lazy guy, so I always use this garlic in cube. It's very useful. Then put some this, chili pepper. I often make ahijo, so I've just bought this big bag of chili pepper on Amazon. This is a very easy way to make peperoncino. And mix it together. And finally, put boiled edamame. And then put some salt and black pepper. Okay, it's done. Oh, don't forget to put some salt to Japanese one as well. Okay, now everything is ready. Looks nice. Let's try it. Itadakimasu. First, I tried Japanese one. Let's take a look. It's good. Simple and easy. Oishii desu. Next, let's try Italian one. It smells very good. That's awesome. È molto buono. Mi piace molto mangiare la cucina italiana. Okay, so as always, let's move on to drinking part. Today's drink is this premium malts, Japanese beer of course. Okay, so let's drink. Kanpai! That's great. Edamame and beer, it's a reliable combination. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. In this channel, I introduce you Japanese otsumami. Originally, tsumamu means to pick up in Japanese. Otsumami is a Japanese finger food which you can pick up and eat while you're drinking alcohol. Every time you watch this channel, you're going to take one small step to be the otsumami master. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And check the other movies as well. Okay, so see you next time. Sayonara!